again, fourth grade. We're going to go over another problem from section 525, which is about decomposing and composing fractions greater than 1. I wanted to talk about a way that we could change 3 4/5, a mixed fraction, into an improper fraction, just using mental math. The last video, I can't remember what fraction it was, but we used decomposition using a number bond along with multiplication to change it from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So we're going to talk about how we can use mental math. So on your whiteboard or your piece of paper, I'd like for you to write down 3 4/5. Let me pull up my thing there. All right, there we go. So first I want you guys to think about, 3 4/5. It's always going to be helpful to think about it, in terms of the whole number and the fraction. So we know 3 4/5 is made up of 3 and then 4/5. Now I want you to think about what unit we are using. We're going to change 3 4/5 into an improper fraction. So we want to look at the unit of the fraction, which is fifths. So we know that our improper fraction is going to contain the unit fifths. So the first thing that I want you to do is think about how many fifths, okay? How many fifths is in 3 wholes, okay? It might help you to think about how many fifths are in 1 whole. So we know that if the unit is fifths, we know 1 whole is going to have 5 fifths. So if 1 whole is 5 fifths, what would 2 wholes be? 2 wholes would be 10 fifths. What would 3 wholes be? 3 wholes would be 15 fifths. So on your whiteboard or your piece of paper, we can jot down that 3 wholes is the same as 15 fifths. And we also have this 4 fifths from the original mixed fraction. We're going to add those two together. And we know that we need to keep our units the same. So 15 fifths plus 4 fifths will give us 19 fifths. Hooray. All using mental math. Love it. You can use mental math, you can use multiplication, whatever helps you to best visualize the problem, or, like we've talked about in math class, everyone's brain works differently. So you've got 2 strategies under your belt. Now you guys can start the problem set. Thank you very much.